Hello friends, Namaste. I am A.M. Kumbar, Chemistry Department, Institute of Petrochemical Engineering, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Technological University, Lonere, District Raigad. Today we'll discuss subtopic plastic from topic non-metallic engineering materials. So after watching this video, students will be able to learn what are plastics, what are the properties which makes a plastic as an engineering material, what is meant by polymerization, monomer and polymer, formation of plastics and types of plastics. So what are plastics? The word plastic is derived from Greek word plastikos, means fit for molding. Plastics are synthetic, organic, polymeric materials of high molecular weight which are formed by polymerization reaction, and they can be molded into any desired shape by using heat, pressure and in presence of catalyst. Plastic as an engineering material. So what are the unique properties which makes plastic as an engineering material? The first, plastics are light in weight. Second, plastics are electrically insulating materials. Third, they have ability to take different attractive colors. Fourth, they can be molded easily in any complicated shape. They are having good adhesiveness. So these are the properties which makes plastic popular and useful to human society. Now the time of reflection spot. What do you mean by polymerization? And types of plastics based on method of polymerization. Now pause your video and write your answer in your notebook in 5 minutes. Now answer. What is polymerization? The polymerization is a process or reaction in which large number of monomers, they are joined together to form a big molecule called as a polymer, and this reaction takes place with or without elimination of water, HCl, ammonia, etc. So polymerization is a reaction of formation of polymer from monomers. So what is monomer? A smaller and simpler molecules which forms polymer are called monomers. For example, ethene, vinyl chloride, styrene, tetrafluoroethylene, phenol, formaldehyde. These are the examples of monomers. What is a polymer? Polymer is a weak molecule formed by polymerization from monomer. So, what are the examples of polymer? Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, bakelite plastic, urea formaldehyde, polyvinyl chloride, etc. Next point is formation of plastics. Plastics are formed by two methods. First, addition polymerization, and second, condensation polymerization. First, addition polymerization. In this process, monomers of similar or different types, they are repeatedly joined to form a big molecule having long chain polymer structure without elimination of water, HCl, ammonia, etc. For example, polyvinyl chloride, polythene, polystyrene, etc. So polymerization is a reaction in which monomers are added together called addition polymerization to form a polymer. For example, ethene, n number of ethene monomers, they are joined to each others in presence of heat, pressure and catalyst to form a polythene. Second, condensation polymerization. It is a process in which monomers of different types are joined together to form a big molecule having cross-linked structure with elimination of water, HCl, ammonia, etc. For example, nylon 66, urea formaldehyde, bakelite plastic, etc. Now see the example of condensation polymerization, formation of bakelite plastic. In this, monomers of phenol and formaldehyde, they are condensed together in presence of catalyst to form a plastic that is called as bakelite plastic. And in the reaction, water molecules are removed. Next is the types of plastics. Plastics are of two types. First, thermoplastics, or they are also called as thermosoftening plastics. Second, thermosetting, or they are also called as thermohardening plastics. The first, thermoplastics. So these are plastics which on becomes soft on heating and remain soft as long as they are hot. On cooling, they becomes hard. So these are heat sensitive plastics. So they are called as reversible plastics. These plastics are formed by addition polymerization. These plastics are soft, weak, and less brittle. So these are some examples of thermoplastic materials. Next, thermosetting plastics. So these are plastics which takes permanent shape and becomes permanent hard when heat and pressure is applied. These plastics do not soften on heating, and that's why they are called as irreversible plastics. These plastics are formed by condensation polymerization. These plastics are strong, hard, and brittle. So these are examples of the materials which are made from thermosetting plastics. Thank you.